everybody, did a midnight run up to my buddy Jim's place, picked up this 47. It is for sale. It is completely frame up, rebuilt. Got a Dave Kafton motor in it. Speedo down's been rebuilt. So the tanks, the front fender are original paint. The rear fender and the muffler are reproduction. The rest is all original and all correct. This one's got a bull neck frame, which is perfectly correct for the motor numbers. The frame, the fork have been repainted. The oil tank is original paint. It is priced accordingly. So if you're interested, send me an email at huntingharleys@gmail.com. That's huntingharleys@gmail.com. 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 And I do have a phone number. It is 661-904-8512. 661-904-8512. 661-904-8512. I'm going to flip this bike over. Luna, stop that! I'm going to flip this bike over and we get a picture. Luna! Stop that! There's a dog down the street. Flip this bike over here in a minute so we can get a video of it on the other side in the sun. It's a very nice bike. It's all brand new, frame up, rebuilt. And let me tell you what, there's a few good motormen on the West Coast, and Dave Kafton absolutely blows them away. He's the best motorman on the West Coast, hands down. He's a good friend of mine, and I can't even get to work on my shed. You're either in the little clique or you're out. They just got a Nerf on the other side of the fence. I haven't even put air in the tires yet. It needs battery and gas to run. Top off the oil. Hasn't been run since 2013. It's only got a few hundred miles on the rebuild. That's it. So you got a fresh motorcycle ready to be ridden. Okay? And it's just got the right crust that everybody wishes they could get. And here it is. Hey, hey, hey. Watch out, watch out. So that's that. There's your motor numbers. Beautiful bull neck frame. And there we go. So put a little gas in it and a battery in it and ride it. Cool machine. Very cool. Has the look everybody wants to have. Won't last long. So we will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye bye.